Hi, this is Rebecca from Kizwa, and today I will be giving you tips on how to take better photos. So today we are going to talk about how to avoid taking blurry photos and take more focused and sharper ones. So there are 4 main reasons as to why you might be taking blurry photos. So number 1 being the subject is moving. 2, if the camera is moving as well. 3, if the autofocus is not focused at all in the first place. Finally, you couldn't get the depth of field in your photo correct in the first place. Reason number 1, if your subjects are moving, for example, a child on a swing or people running, you have to make sure that the shutter speed of your camera is adapted to that particular scenario, to that particular situation. So take this for an example. If there is a child on a swing going really fast, and if my shutter speed is too low, my picture will come out blurry, definitely. So in order to avoid this, you have to make sure that the shutter speed is increased. So the subject will be sharper and the photo will be more focused. So the shutter speed for a moving subject should at least be 1/300 of a second. Reason number 2, movement of your camera. This can be quite hard if you're in a crowd. But to correct this, try to be as still as possible. Position yourself where you can be. Or what you can do is get a tripod, increase the shutter speeds of your camera. Or what you can also do is get the settings of your anti-vibration on your camera as well as in your lens. Reason number 3, if the autofocus does not work properly. So why does this happen? It's because if the photo is not exactly where the focus should be. So just be extra careful as to where you want to focus on your photo. So make sure the focus is really on your subject. So the 4th and final reason as to why you might be taking blurry photos, it's probably because you're not able to manage the depth of field. So the depth of field is the area in your photo that is sharp and focused. Unfortunately, this is a very technical notion, but we'll come back to it in our next video. So don't forget that blurs in your photos can have many advantages. You can use them as creatively and be as artistic as possible. For example, in bokeh. This is something that we will be bringing up in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. This was great. See you guys next time.